Hello everybody. So today I'm gonna show you how to create discount codes in BigCommerce. So we're gonna click on marketing and click on coupon codes. And here on this blue button right here, you can create a coupon code. So click on that and enter the coupon code of your choice, the coupon name, the discount type, the amount, minimum purchase of a number of uses, exclude cart level discounts, coupon conditions, and once everything is set up, just click save and you're done. Thanks for watching.